It's plumbing time. PRV, bad. Copper piping, also bad. Using a bucket to stand on, forgot my ladder, bad. And yes, I'm aware that I'm wearing my glasses today. Forgot to wipe my dribbins, and now my eyes messed up. Let's get started. When in doubt, cut it out. Great. Now I gotta pee. Psych. No one banged that hardwood to the wall. I know y'all love that wrist action. What's PRV? Look how far down I am now. We have to add this check valve for our leak detection system. So we're going to measure this out real quick using sophisticated measuring tools. This ain't anatomy class, but it could be for the right price. Watts leak defense system, one of the best in the biz. These are my keens.
Oh shit.
Looks like I'm gonna need a ladder. Gotta show you I can do the double wrist action too. You like watching me work with these nuts? It's time for you to watch me get rigid. Getting wet over here. Milwaukee sucks. It's done.